Calculate. 13 times 2 is 26 plus 1 equal 27. 26 plus 1 equal 27. Therefore, D is not the correct answer because we have a 6 right here and we have a 27 right here. Hence, D does not satisfy this function. Back to learning with the Passleys. If it's your first time watching this channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Today we are going to do some CSEC math multiple choice past paper questions. However, we are going to do relations and functions. Let's get straight into the lesson. Let us do 22. If g is a function such that gx equal 2x plus 1, which of the following coordinates satisfies the function? Here are the coordinates. We have A, B, C, and D to choose from. I'm going to use D. Let us use D. Alright, we know that D, this 13 here is X, and this Y, this 6 here is Y. You see that? So this is the value for X here is 13, and the value of 6 of Y is 6. So they're saying that if we use 13 in this function, we should get 6. The result should be 6. So let's go. So we're going to write gx equal 2x plus 1. Gx equal 2x plus 1. This is a function that we are going to use to solve this problem. So now gx equal to, what is x? X here is 13. So we're going to put 13 in this bracket plus 1. Let us calculate. 13 times 2 is 26 plus 1 equal 27. 26 plus 1 equal 27. Therefore, D is not the correct answer because we have a 6 right here and we have a 27 right here. Hence, D does not satisfy this function. Now we have to move on to another choice. So let us try C. We're going to use C. What is the value of x in C here? The value is 5. So I'm going to put 5 in this function. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 equal 11. 10 plus 1 equal 11. Therefore, C is not the correct answer because we have 2 here. And the result we get when we use C, we get 11. Let us try option B. In B we have negative 6 and 11. So when I use negative 6 in this function, I should get positive 11. Since we know that the first value here represent x and the second value represent y, I am going to insert negative 6 in this bracket, then multiply 2 times negative 6 equal negative 12 plus 1. Because we have the negative on this side and the negative here is larger than this positive, I am going to rewrite. So equal 1 minus 12 equal negative 11. Since we have a negative 11 here, and we have a positive 11 here. We will have to get rid of this option. So let us move on to A. Since we eliminate these three options, we know that the answer A must be the answer. We know that the answer must be A. So let us use A in this function. We know that the first number represents X and the second one represents Y. So let us insert -3 in this bracket. Now let us calculate. 2 times -3 is -6 plus 1 equal, gonna rewrite 1 minus 6 equal minus 5. So now if you check the numbers in A, you realize that you have a -3 and a -5. Therefore, the coordinates which satisfies the function is A. This is our answer. A is the correct answer. This is how you work out a problem like this. Question 23. What is the gradient of a line which passes through the points -4, 3, and -2 and 5? They are saying that we should find the gradient for the line that passes through these points. These are the points. The gradient of a straight line M equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula to find the gradient. Since we know the formula, this will help us to solve this problem. I am going to write in bracket here x1 and y1 close bracket. What is the value for x1? X1 is minus 4. y1 is 3. In bracket here I have x2 and y2. The value for x2 is minus 2, and the value for y2 is 5. Since we know these values, we are going to solve this problem because we are problem solver. Let's go. Therefore, M equal, what is y2? y2 5 minus y1 is 3 divided by x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is minus 4 in bracket. Now we have a minus and a minus here, so we all should know by now that minus times minus give us positive. 5 minus 3 leave 2. Negative times negative give us positive, so we have positive 4 minus 2. See that? Equal minus 2 plus 4 equal 2 over 2 equal 1. 2 into 2 goes 1 time. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Now I can tell you the gradient of a straight line that passes through these points is 1. You see that? This is how we solve problem like this. Let us do 29. If fx equal x cubed minus 5, then f in bracket we have minus 3 equal. They are saying that we should use this function to find out the answer for this. Therefore, f of x equal x cubed minus 5. So therefore f, and in bracket, since they are saying that x is negative 3, anywhere you see x you should put negative 3. So in this bracket I'm going to write negative 3 equal, what is x here? Negative 3 cube minus 5. You see that? Negative 3 cube is telling us that we should multiply 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. You see that? Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. I'm just going to bracket this. Minus 5. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 27 minus 5 equal negative 32. Therefore, D is the correct answer. You see that? This is how we work out a problem like this.